So you're staring at a blank canvas again, and you're not sure what to paint next. Don't worry, we've all been there, so come with me, let's get over the hesitation and let's get painting. So you're staring at a blank canvas again, not sure what to paint next. I get you. I feel exactly where you are because I've been there too. But today, let's shake off that hesitation and jump right in. I'm going to show you some easy and practical ways to break through creative blocks and start again. So join me in this video and let's get started. The first thing to getting started is just start. Sounds very simple, but whatever your idea is, stop thinking about it being perfect and throw that idea out the window. The truth is, your first mark doesn't need to be a masterpiece. It just needs to exist. I like to start by doodling. Yep, doodling. Grab a piece of scrap paper or even your sketchbook and just make marks, circles, lines, whatever comes to mind. Something that gets your hand moving and your mind out of perfection. Here's another tip. Start small. Literally, with a big blank canvas, it's very intimidating. So grab a smaller piece of paper. I like to go into my sketchbook. Don't try and paint a whole masterpiece right away, but set yourself mini goals. I like making 3 bold brush strokes and filling the corner of a page. These small wins, once you get going, you'll start to build momentum. So now, as you started painting these lines or these squiggles, something comes to mind. And when I'm in that space, it's these things that turn my creativity. Sometimes all you have to do is see a color or a color combination, an interesting shape, and there you go. You're ready to paint. I just look at what colors I have in my palette. And if you've ever wondered if you should clean your palette, well, that's up to you. And here's another big thing. It's about just starting. It doesn't matter if your first brushstroke is a total mess or if you have no idea what you're doing. What matters is that you've taken the first step, and that's a huge win. So whether you doodle something small or paint, just find inspiration from the world around you. It is just about getting started, and that's the hardest part. And now that you've done that, you've officially kicked off your creative journey. But this is just the beginning. Now that you're creating again, stick around. I would love for you to write in the comments what you're stuck with so we can help you through this. Subscribe, like the video, and do stick around for more painting inspiration just like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.